As you can see, I got a little burnt from all the sun yesterday. As you see in the video, I was out on the beach enjoying my time, tanning, you know. I'm trying to stay out of the wind for you guys. It's beach day. Tanned out there for about 5-6 hours. It's real fun, real good. About that guy at work, I thought I was going to be safe yesterday. He waited for me to get off, which I don't know if that's good or bad. He's cute. He thought I was avoiding him, but I wasn't. We were joking around at work because all these guys are like from the center and they apparently like me. And, you know, one of them said I bite my lip too much. Another one said that I have bounced my step. And the one right now says I smile really good. So apparently I just need to go to work and stand still. I guess that's how it's going to be. It's been a real good day, real fun. I'm on the 3rd floor right now. I'll show you a little bit of the Gulf of Mexico. It has been quite a lazy day today. I've been so lazy. Ooh, I have done some laundry. Speaking of laundry, I think it's done. And I really hate to do laundry. It's like my pet peeve. I did laundry last week, and you want to know where it's at? Get ready. You know, I give kudos for it just being folded, okay? It's folded and lying on the, what would you call that? Table? Yeah, it's lying on the table. This used to be a living room, and now it's my bedroom. So I still have, like, living room accessories. Yay! Today, what I've been doing is making videos. No fandom videos, sorry. I've been actually working on an edited piece of work that I've been graced to work on. I'm so excited. It's my first real project, and it's really, really hard. Well, it's not hard, but it's challenging because I'm used to taking like really big like TV shows, you know, that I've watched for so long and making them into small, momentary things. This, I'm taking something I'm completely new to and making something real out of it, which is really cool. Awesome. It's really awesome. That's all I have to say. It's just awesome. Awesome!
Sneeze.
My dad's been formatting one of my drives that I formatted for a Mac, and then my Mac died, so he had to format it back to Windows without using the Mac, so it was kind of hard. And he's been screaming back how many percent right now. It's at like 94, which is super excited because I can put all my videos on that instead of my computer where it's like filled to the max, like to the hilt, for real. Seriously, if you guys have any ideas for videos, let me know. You know, hit it up, shoot it up, do something. I don't know.